Hey traders, Todd Gordon here with TradingAnalysis.com. This is for CNBC's Trading Nation. Traders, let's take a look. Let's actually take a big step back. If you've been following along our videos on Trading Nation, you know we've been piling on the risk on the long side here, focused mostly in technology and financials, and it's been paying off. We've been on a very good run here, but let's not get too far out over our skis here. We're coming up into a very key week here. We have Fed, we've got non-farm payroll. Wednesday, there's a lot of big earnings coming out here, so a lot of data is kind of hitting this market, and we're in a technical position where we really need to kind of back up here a little bit. So let's take a look at the NASDAQ monthly. Okay, this parallel channel that we formed is coming from the 2009 low, and you can see just how orderly this rally is. We've respected the top end of this channel, which is your ceiling or resistance. We've respected the bottom side, which is support or the floor. And you can see that January is setting up, if we close above about 7,050, that's going to be a break outside of the upside of this channel, which is pretty impressive. It's happened one time before in this rally, which is back here in October 2014. And you can see as soon as we tagged the upper end of the channel, we checked it out for a couple more months, but then we got some pretty good back and forth volatility that lasted all the way through June 2016. So that's something we really need to be aware of here. If history is going to serve as a guide, which it has since 2009, we need to respect the upper end of this parallel channel that's contained this rally. Okay, so from the monthly, let's drop down to the weekly, and you're going to see that there's another one too. So coming from the July 2016 lows, you can see that we do have a fairly good parallel channel here. We did break outside of it on the downside here, but now we're coming up to the upper end of that, which is the blue line from this weekly chart that is running into the orange channel, which was up from the monthly chart. So we've got two channels colliding here in the NASDAQ just around 7,100. So this is a point where we really want to be protective of profits that we have put together. Now, an overshoot to the upside is entirely possible, but I can almost promise you, almost, not if, but when we do return back inside of this channel, at some point this lower support will break. We will probably come down and test that guy. And remember, these guys are moving higher, okay? These are uptrending channels, so they're going to be the point at which price will collide with that will change as the market's moving higher. So point there is at some point, I don't know what price it's going to be because it's going up. At some point, we will break and support will no longer be with us. So let's just kind of keep an eye on that. I like to, with the positions that we have, I like to take some profits when you can, not when you have to and the market's falling apart. So I'm going to look to protect some profits. Be sure to follow us at Trading Nation on Twitter. I'll be tweeting that out as we're taking some profits on some positions. This is a time where we need to be vigilant and diligent in terms of protecting our positions. For CNBC's Trading Nation, I'm Todd Gordon. Be sure to follow us at Trading Nation on Twitter for updates to all the markets and positions our traders are watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video update.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.